In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Happiness is the most sought after emotion. Every one of us want to be happy. That is something natural. Some of the people, particularly where the education is not so easily available, only some of the people do know it is the happiness is a necessity, not a luxury. The people who are well educated only they do understand that we need to be happy, or at least we need to avoid, consciously we need to avoid the unhappiness. We do need the peace of mind, and we do have to avoid the mental stress. We do have to avoid the anxiety. Fewer people know that it is necessary, it is important, and without which obviously there is a trouble, there are some unforeseen results, there is something unpredictable. Now, those people who don't take it as a necessity, they are often found indulging in the harmful ways of getting happiness, excitement, thrill. Some of the things which are even legal, not prohibited by the law, but still these are not having so healthy effects upon the human beings. Video games are legal, not prohibited, but people are using it, people who use it, the youth which indulges in it, the youth indulges in it, they are having very negative effects of excessive video gaming. In South Korea, the youth, the youngsters, some of the youngsters, they are found sitting ahead of the computer, and they keep sitting on their chairs even for a week. They don't leave their chairs. They sleep on their chairs and sleep not at the proper timing, don't awake at a proper timing. Rather, they do sleep as and when they feel very drowsy. Otherwise, they keep playing. Some of the people, some of those youth fall on the ground unconsciously. They become unconscious and remain unconscious for some of the time. Cigarettes are not prohibited, it's legal, but smoking is really bad for the health. Smoking is bad for the health. So, some of the people they are seeking thrills through swings, bungee jumping like things, swing like things like swings, things like bungee jumping. People are found doing in it. This too is not so healthy psychologically. It is not so healthy. It is not so beneficial. There are myriad of other ways which are not prohibited by law, and the people use it, although it is not having some good effects upon the lives of the people. So there are plenty and plenty and plenty of illegal ways to get the temporary, to get the momentary happiness, like drugs, like certain other, like fornication, like certain other things. So these things are providing us happiness momentarily for a very short span of time, but in the long run, but in the long run, these things are having very negative and very harmful effects upon us, upon the humans. So it is very necessary, very necessary not to indulge in the things, in the activities which do provide us happiness momentarily for the time being, but affects us negatively as far our health is concerned, as far our certain other thing, moral, ethical position is concerned, as far our economic health is concerned. Some of the people they are found gambling in the gambling houses, casinos, for what? To seek the temporary excitement. Some of the farm people become alcoholic, they are mostly seen in the bars and they become penniless. Ultimately, they are found sleeping in the park benches. Why these people are found indulging in the things which are so harmful for them? Why do they do that? They do it because they did not recognize initially that happiness is a necessity, and they need to know and they need to learn the ways which can make a person happy but does not have any negative effect upon human being. They did not take it as a necessity. I believe that it is the first necessity, or at least it is one of the first necessities. It is one of the first necessities. Why? Because if at all we are happy, or if at all we are away from the mental stress, if at all we are away from the unhappiness, then it means that we can work normally because we are emotionally normal, and it is the emotional normalcy actually which is important, which is rather very important, without which I think so we cannot lead a normal life at all, we cannot lead a happy life at all. We will fall into the bad activities, we will fall, we will fall into the negative, we will fall into the harmful effects. And that is why it is very important, it is very necessary, the people who do feel, the people who do know that the happiness is a necessity and not a luxury, these people do have many ways, many legal, moral, ethical, harmless ways to become happy, and they are after often found busy in keeping themselves happy during their free time. Once they are free, they will automatically switch over to a positive activity which will make them happy, which will replenish their energies, which will re-nourish them, which will recreate them, which will recreate their willingness, their ambition to succeed, to work for the success, to work for the good things. So it is really important, really important, really important to spend a good amount of your time almost on a daily basis, almost on a daily basis in the activities, in the hobbies which can replenish you emotionally, which can recreate you, which can recreate your thrust for the forward movement. Thank you. Jazakallah.